So, going to do a trade recap really quick on NASDAQ. So, I ended up taking no trades today. Price action was not the greatest. So, going to go over kind of why that was the case. So, right here, we see we have London session lows. What I wanted was to see the sweep of this lows and we get our strong reaction up. But obviously, you can see on the hourly, these first 3 hours of New York session were absolutely terrible. And you would be right in saying that these were terrible. We see this just accordion pattern of oop, 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 right? We have no high time frame confluences getting hit. We have no liquidity sweeps to the downside. My bias was bullish, which overall ended up being correct. But however, uh, just nothing was happening. So we have this hourly bullish order block right here that we tapped into a couple times. And actually on the daily, we were almost going to sweep this liquidity too. So this was a daily draw of liquidity. I wanted both of these to get taken out. They were built. This is a daily bullish order block too. So, a lot of high time frame confluence was about to get hit there, and nothing happened. So obviously, if we drop down to the 1 minute time frame, we see a lot of that story of up down up down. This is on my demo account because I got off my trading view. But so actually, the only liquidity sweep we had was this internal range, at least morning session. We did get a sweep of this internal range of liquidity on London session, which you could technically consider this the high of London session. I did not take a trade off of it simply because there wasn't strong enough confluence there. It was a sweep of internal range of liquidity, which for London session for me is not strong enough. For New York session, I've seen time and time again of an internal range of liquidity of New York session, especially when we have these days like this where we have a big sell off and we have like a high located here or something. This is a strong enough draw of liquidity for me on the New York session, but not for London session. So New York session is the only one for me that I can kind of give like dibs or respect to. This is not high enough. So again, this was a really choppy day, especially morning session. Afternoon, I guess, was a little bit cleaner, but again, it was just not the cleanest price action to say the least. This would have been really good if we swept these lows. Obviously, like the bottom of this, we have a low, and then right here, but we never reached them. So, very interesting, to say the least. I'm not very, appalled by how this price action's been, but you got to get what you get again. So you got to deal with what you get and work from there. So, at the end of the day, you're the one clicking the buy, and you're the one clicking the sell button. So, that's pretty much it. I mean, there wasn't much tomorrow. We don't have a whole lot of news. Why is this on the 8th? Tomorrow we have PPI. Wednesday we have CPI. Thursday we have unemployment. So we have a lot of news coming up these next few days this week. So obviously high impact news. Maybe it'll help move the market a little bit better. I don't know, but we'll see how those go. I'm going to be very careful in the next few days trading, but I mean, that's pretty much it.